Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make all-purpose cleaner. So the ingredients: water, sodium metasilicate, tea, formalin, perfume, slace, and alcohol. So now we are going to use 788 water. And then sodium, we are going to use 100 grams of sodium. So then we will mix it together. And tea, we are going to use 50 milliliter. And then mix it together, guys. Mix it together until it dissolves. So guys, especially when we come to all-purpose cleaner, there's so lot of method to do this. So don't worry, this time I'm showing you this one, and then next time I'll show you another one, guys. But in J, they are doing the same thing. So all-purpose cleaner, guys, you can clean anything. You can clean your fridge, your floor, anything, guys. So now we put our formalin, and our formalin we put 1 milliliter. And then mix it together. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. And then we put our alcohol. Alcohol is 10 milliliter. And then mix it together. Mix it, mix it, mix it. And then, guys, now we put our slace. 1 milliliter. And then mix it together, guys. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. We mix it together, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm so sorry. I know I promise you to be consistent, but in J, things happen, guys. I'm still waiting for my orders, guys. There's still a lot of things that I want to show you, but in J, I struggle to find the chemicals, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm still waiting for the chemicals. And then, but I'm still here, guys. So now for the thickening, guys, we are going to use 50 grams of salt, guys. So now salt is our thickening in this process. So we mix it together. And guys, thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you for supporting me. And yeah, guys, please order if you want, maybe to order anything. You want dishwasher, you want all-purpose cleaner, you want pine gel, please order, guys. Please order. Or if maybe you want me to teach you, I'm still available. I'm still cheap. I'm still just charging 200 rand, guys. Please, please, please support me. So guys, I will put everything in my description box because people are like, Mase, please, 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 please. We want to know the ingredients and everything. So yeah, guys. So you can use all-purpose cleaner for everything and anything, guys. Anything you want. You want to clean with it. You want to do whatever. The floor, the fridge, your cupboards, everything, guys. So can you see, guys? Can you see this? So now your salt, guys, if maybe 50 milliliter is not enough, you can put more. So yeah, guys, that's our all-purpose cleaner. So please, guys, comment, please share, and please, 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 guys, subscribe. See you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye. So guys, I forgot to mention the salt, guys. So the thickening in this process is the salt. So please, 50 milliliter of salt, guys. But if you can see that it's not thick enough, you can add more. So guys, let's see if this all-purpose cleaner can do the trick. I think it's too thick for this here. And then voila, guys. And then your fridge will be clean and shiny. So yeah, guys, see you on my next video.